Welcome to the Rome Tech channel. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you find it helpful. Today, we're diving into the world of Crypto.com cards, your gateway to seamlessly blending crypto with everyday spending. Head over to Crypto.com/cards to explore the range of card options available and find the perfect fit for your needs. Whether you're a seasoned crypto enthusiast or just beginning your journey, these cards offer a compelling way to integrate digital assets into your financial life. Crypto.com provides a tiered card system, meaning there's a card for everyone, regardless of their investment level. Each tier unlocks exciting perks and benefits, including cashback rewards, access to exclusive airport lounges, and enhanced spending limits. By visiting their website, you can compare the different card tiers side by side and easily identify which one aligns with your spending habits and financial goals. Imagine earning crypto rewards on every purchase you make, from groceries to gas, and everything in between. That's the power of a Crypto.com card. Not only can you manage your crypto holdings, but you can also earn rewards simply by using your card for everyday transactions. It's a practical and rewarding way to engage with the crypto ecosystem. With the ever-growing popularity of cryptocurrencies, having a convenient and secure way to spend your digital assets is becoming increasingly important. Crypto.com cards bridge the gap between traditional finance and the crypto world, empowering you to seamlessly integrate your digital assets into your daily spending routine. So, visit Crypto.com/cards today and discover how you can unlock the potential of your crypto holdings. Explore the different card tiers, compare the benefits, and start earning rewards on your everyday purchases. This is a sponsored segment, but our enthusiasm for innovative financial solutions is genuine. We believe these cards offer a compelling proposition for anyone interested in the future of finance.